Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to learn English workshop of a lesson in life from a beggar by Sudha Murthy. Warming up. First question. A piece of advice that stopped a bad habit in you. Answer. I had a habit of nail biting. My father used to tell me again and again. But one day he scolded me in front of everyone and I stopped my bad habit. Second, a quote proverb that love to use often. Answer. Every day in every way I am getting better and better. This quotation I love to use often. Next question. An experience that taught you a lifelong lesson. Answer. One rich woman threw a coin towards a beggar. At that time, the beggar told the woman not to throw the coin. The woman became very angry and started quarreling with the beggar. Then the beggar returned that coin and told the woman not to make show of your richness. It is perishable. This experience taught me a lifelong lesson. Last, a story, news, episode, movie, play that has impressed and changed you. Answer. Nata Samrat by Phoebe Sirwadkar that has impressed and changed me. Next, many slang expressions, terms are used for people having positive or negative traits. Match the expression in column A with type of person in column B. Answers are given directly. First, couched potato, lazy or good for nothing. Second, worrywart, always nervous or worried. Third, fuddy-duddy, old-fashioned or refuses change. Fourth, wet blanket, spoils other people's fun or mood. Wits, brilliant or genius. Black sheep means shameful person. Last, live wire, very energetic or active. Second, discuss with your group and write the difference in reactions of an optimist and pessimist. First, failure in exams or test. Optimist, failure is the first step of success. I'll try my best in the coming exam. Pessimist, it's beyond my capacity. Forget it. Second, lose a good amount of cash. Optimist, the cash is not mine. Bad luck. Pessimist, what a evil fate. Bad luck. Third, unexpected rainfall or bad weather. Wow, we will enjoy. Pessimist, oh rain, how awful it is. Next, illness. Optimist, I have to recover as early as possible. Pessimist, I will not survive. Extra classes in school. Optimist, they will giving extra guidance. It is very nice. Pessimist, what a stupidity. I have to attend the class. Margin questions. First, who is Meena? Answer. Meena is a good friend of the writer and an LIC officer. Second, what was Meena's nature like? Answer. Meena was forever unhappy. She was negative minded. Somebody met her would start feel depressed. Third, what is meant by she never had anything positive to say? Answer. She never had anything positive to say means her thoughts had always been negative. Next, describe the location in Mumbai where the writer spotted Meena. Answer. It was raining and writer was standing near Akbar Ali's popular department store at Bombay's Flora Fountain in Mumbai, where the writer spotted Meena. Next, what is the difference between an optimistic person and a pessimistic person? Answer: optimistic person always look for positive aspects of everything. Pessimistic person sees only the negative side. Next, what surprised the writer? Answer: the writer surprised about the changed behavior of Meena. She seems ready to make any number of adjustments. Next, what lesson did Meena learn from her guru, the beggar? Answer: accept what you have and enjoy your every moment of life. Next, describe an experience where somebody has changed your way of looking at life. Answer: I and my best friend were going to Kolhapur. We were happy and chit-chatting on our way. Suddenly, a man came with her car and dashed on our scooty. Before even realizing what happened, we were on the road. We both got bruises. The man who was driving the car helped us in every possible way that he could. He even compensated the loss. But that day, I learned that we should enjoy each and every moment of life because we never know when would be your last day. Next, how did the beggar and his granddaughter enjoy the rain? Answer: the beggar and his granddaughter enjoyed the rain by playing on the road and laughing, clapping, and screaming joyously as if they were in paradise. Last, what did Meena do to show gratitude to her guru? Answer: she sponsored his granddaughter to a boarding school. English workshop. Question number 1. Complete the following table. Utterance: who said and to whom. First, Sweta is very beautiful girl, isn't she? The writer said to Meena. Second, when a pony is young, he looks handsome. Meena said to the writer. Third, it's a beautiful day. The writer said to Meena. No, the sun is too hot. Meena said to the writer. I am all excited. It's nice to meet old friends. Meena said to the writer. Let's chat. Meena said to the writer. Next, we won't get a taxi in this rain. The writer said to Meena. Next, then, what's the secret of your energy? The writer said to Meena. Last, a beggar changed my life. Meena said to the writer. Second question. State whether the following statements are right or wrong. Correct the wrong ones.